Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna see how exactly we can create a delta table from a data frame. Okay, so to create a data frame, what I have done, I have kept one sample file. Okay, let me create a notebook first. Okay, so I have created this notebook, and I have one sample file ready with me in the DBFS. If you see, yeah, so this is the file. I'll copy the path of it, and uh, my first task is to read this file, right? And to read this file, I should know the location of it. So I'll first of all, I'll get the location, and then I'll start reading this file with the help of Spark. And I know this, it's in CSV format. So I'll use CSV dot. I know that the file has a header in it. So I'll use header option, and then I'm loading this file from the file location. Let me explain you this line one more time. So basically we are loading this file from this location. The option is header true, and I'm reading it since it is a CSV file. I'll store it in the data frame. Now the data frame is ready. Now I'll use this data frame to write a delta table. Okay, so I'll use write function to write the delta table, and I will specify like which format I want, right? So basically I'm saying I want delta. So I will say the format will be delta, and I have to just give the name. Okay, and let's give the name quickly. Okay, and run it. So if you see, I'm creating a table, right? But I didn't specify any database, any schema or anything, right? I just directly created the table. So by default, this table will be created inside the default database, right? In the Hive Metastore default database. So if you see, we have this table created. Okay. Now I'll show you how exactly you can remove this file. So to remove this file, it's very simple. You can use SQL command. Okay. Drop table name, and that's it. You're done. You're good. So if you see, now the table is already dropped from the default database, which is there in the Hive Metastore. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create the external database on the Hive Metastore and how exactly you can use it. So I hope this video will helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.